Ever wonder why food trucks have become a culinary phenomenon? Well, let's take a tasty trip down memory lane. Picture this, it's the 1800s, and food trucks are nothing more than mobile canteens serving up grub for hardworking soldiers. Fast forward a bit, and these roving kitchens have made their way into the hearts of cities across the globe. But it's not just the mobility that's made them popular, it's the evolution of their menus. They've gone from slinging simple hot dogs and burgers to serving a smorgasbord of gourmet and ethnic cuisines. From Korean barbecue tacos to lobster rolls, from vegan delights to gluten-free goodies, these trucks have transformed into culinary explorers, introducing us to flavors we never thought we'd find on the street. So, food trucks have come a long way from being simple mobile kitchens. They're now a foodie's paradise on wheels. Did you know that there are over 25,000 food trucks in the US alone? That's a lot of street eats. The food truck industry has been booming over the past decade, growing an impressive 200%. That's a lot of growth and a lot of gourmet grub. From Korean BBQ to vegan cupcakes, the variety of cuisines available is simply staggering. There's a food truck for every palate, and some of them have even earned Michelin stars. Yes, you heard that right. Michelin stars. Now that's high dining on high wheels, and let's talk money. In 2023, the food truck sector generated a whopping $2 billion in revenue. That's a lot of tacos and Thai food, and the numbers are only expected to rise as more people discover the joy of curbside cuisine. With numbers like these, it's no wonder food trucks are taking over the food scene. Ready for some fun food truck trivia? Let's dive right in. Did you know that food trucks are actually eco-friendly? Indeed, their compact size and efficient use of space means they consume less energy than traditional restaurants. And here's a tasty tidbit. The longest operating food truck is the taco truck in New York City, serving mouth-watering tacos since the early 1960s. Now, let's talk about luxury on wheels. The most expensive dish ever served from a food truck was a lobster roll, costing a whopping $169. It was dished out by a food truck in Miami, using only the finest ingredients. But food trucks aren't just about business. They also play a significant role in charity and community services, providing meals for the underprivileged and catering to disaster-hit areas. Who knew food trucks could be so interesting and so varied? So why are we so in love with food trucks? Well, there's a multitude of reasons. For one, they're incredibly convenient. Whether you're strolling through a park or hustling through the city streets, food trucks are there, ready to serve up delicious meals on the go. But it's not just about convenience. Food trucks bring a smorgasbord of global cuisines right to our fingertips. Craving Korean barbecue, Mexican tacos, or French crepes? You can likely find a food truck serving up each of these delights within a few blocks of each other. And let's not forget the sense of community. Food trucks often become gathering spots, bringing people together over shared plates and shared experiences. Moreover, they've become a creative platform for chefs, offering them a chance to experiment with bold flavors and innovative dishes without the constraints of a traditional restaurant setup. Food trucks offer more than just a quick bite. They're a food revolution on wheels, bringing us a world of flavors, one street corner at a time.